of this car. It has built it superbly. It really is absolutely amazing. The suspension setup, I can drive it at low revs like this quite comfortably. It just plod along quite nicely. Very light and agile. But literally, when you want to put your foot down, this thing absolutely tears you apart. But controllable. Here we go. You run out of road very quickly with this thing, I can assure you. Great gearbox. It's a race prep gearbox. Absolutely beautiful to change gear. No problem there at all. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Get it back into the pits and go up again. Why not? Have some fun. If you took this to Nuremberg, anywhere like that, you are going to have a lot of enjoyment out of this car. It really has been built for someone that enjoys the racing, enjoys the heritage, because it's been done beautifully. I mean, there are a lot of 350 GT reps out there, but this I would put as the best. I don't think you're going to find a better one than this. Certainly in Europe. I know in America they have a few special cars over there, maybe, I don't know, but this would take some beating. The guy who's built and designed this knows about racing, knows about the setup. As I said, have a look at these sheets on the photographs and you'll see the work that's gone into this, but